Ever found yourself staring at your bank account, wondering where all your money went? Like, you know you got paid, but somehow, it feels like it vanished into thin air? You're not alone. We've all been there. And that's why budgeting tools like YNAB, where you need a budget, have become so popular. But here's the burning question: can you try it out before committing? Does YNAB actually have a free trial? Let's dive right in. If you've been researching budgeting apps, you've probably heard YNAB mentioned more than a few times. It's known for its 4 rules philosophy, which aims to give you complete control over your money. It's about assigning every dollar a job, embracing your true expenses, rolling with the punches, and aging your money. It sounds great, right? But is it worth the subscription fee? That's where a free trial comes in handy. Historically, YNAB has offered free trials, and thankfully, that's still the case. As of right now, YNAB provides a 34-day free trial. This gives you over a month to fully explore the platform and see if it aligns with your budgeting style. That's a decent amount of time to really get a feel for the software and see how it fits into your life. Why is this important? Because budgeting isn't a one-size-fits-all thing. What works for your friend might not work for you. And YNAB, while powerful, has a learning curve. The free trial lets you experiment, import your bank transactions, set up your budget categories, and actually start living by those 4 rules without spending a dime. Think of it as a test drive. You wouldn't buy a car without taking it for a spin, right? The same principle applies to budgeting software. You need to see if the interface is intuitive, if the features are useful, and if the overall approach resonates with you. During your trial, you'll have access to all of YNAB's features. You can watch their educational videos, participate in their live workshops, and even ask questions in their community forums. This comprehensive approach ensures you get the most out of your trial period. Now, here's a crucial point: YNAB is a subscription service. After the free trial ends, you'll need to subscribe to continue using it. The cost varies depending on whether you choose a monthly or annual plan. So, make sure you understand the pricing structure before your trial expires. It's also worth noting that YNAB frequently updates its features and interface. So, even if you've tried it in the past, it might be worth giving it another look. They are constantly improving the experience. Remember, the goal of a free trial isn't just to use the software, it's to determine if it will help you achieve your financial goals. Ask yourself, am I gaining a clearer picture of my finances? Am I making progress towards my savings goals? Am I feeling more in control of my money? If the answer is yes, then YNAB might be a good fit. Don't be afraid to really dig in and use the trial period to its full extent. Import your real transactions, set up realistic budget categories, and really live within the YNAB framework. That's the only way you'll truly know if it's the right tool for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.